Okay, so all the stickers are stuck on the jar. And it's pretty nice, but I do wish that there were more cloud stickers and lightning stickers, and basically more different types of stickers, because there were too many star stickers, I felt like, and I could have done more if there were different types of stickers. But then again, it's also really good that it included stickers, because, well, who's gonna try to do with the cloud? I would just done circles around. And then, okay, so now we are finished with the glowing and sticking. And well, it wasn't glue, it was just sticking, but whatever. And then I'm just gonna move aside this. Now it's time to paint. So there's these jars, and then, oh, that's smart. Like, that's smart. They have this like locking mechanism where it's like can't be opened. I don't know, I just think that's smart. Okay. Anyways, so they include with these two paints, pink and purple's my favorite color. As you can see that Havva is doing the purple. And then I have this little, well, these all were included in the kit, so that's good as well because, well, yeah. But glitter wasn't included, which I'm a little sad about because maybe people don't have glitter. I don't have glitter, so sadly I can't do glittery stuff. So, yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna start off with the pink. Yeah. I can't open this. What is this? So Mr. Helper helped me again. He's been really helpful today. Okay, anyways, we were able to open it. First of all, it was very hard to open. I wish it could be easier to open, so that's one comment. Second thing is, it's dry. Both paint tubes are dry. I don't know if it was originally like this, or it just dry by itself. So I'm just gonna add water and see what happens. So I'll be back. Okay, so I got some water. I'm gonna dip this spongy thing. Oh, it looks so cool in the water. It's so cool. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Okay, so sorry, I'm just ooh and eyeing and wow at the water from the sponge in the water. Okay, anyways, so I'm just gonna dip this in the pink one and see how it works. Okay, I put some water in the pink container, and I don't think it's getting pink. I don't think it's getting like painty. I don't think it's supposed to be like this. I'm going to get a spoon. Come back. A spoon. Let's try this with a spoon. Okay, I don't think there's any way to do this. I don't think you can revive this paint. I think it's unrevivable. Let's see, does it color? It doesn't even color. Okay, I don't think this paint is revivable. I don't think it was meant to be like this. And I don't have any of those special things that can revive the paint, so. Okay, so pink doesn't work. What about purple? Ooh. I added some water to the purple. Let's see if purple will work. Okay, this is not working. This isn't revivable. I'm just gonna get some of my own paint. Yeah, I'm just gonna get some of my own paint. I'll be back one more time. This is going to be the last time. I promise. Okay. So I do not like that this paint is dry. What if I didn't have any purple or pink paint? What if I didn't have paint at all? This wouldn't have turned out as good as would with paint. So I'm just glad I have paint, but if you're going to get this kit, and make sure to have paint just in case the paint is dry and stuff. So I'm just gonna squeeze some. Not gonna lie, the paint is pretty close to the paint that it came with the kit. Paint I have. Okay. The paint is not cool. There's this stringy part that is not coming off. Okay. Wow. As that works. Oh no! Why is this happening to me? I need this paint right now. I need it right now. Right now. This is going to be a mess. This is like a mess. Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh. Okay, I don't care if the table gets like that anymore. Got my paint, and then first blob.
I'm painting it, I'm painting it, I'm painting it pink. I'm painting it all around, up and down, everywhere. Sorry about my singing. I'm just really happy to see this finally painted, and I hope this works.
Now let's do purple. Okay, so we got our purple paint. We pour it in the painting bowl, and then we spread our paint around. We get some purple paint, and then we start also spreading the purple paint around. I'm going to add a little bit more magenta. Should I do the bottom as well? I guess I'll do the bottom as well. I'm just gonna do this. Okay, purple is done. Oh, now I know the reason why this didn't open is because the paint is dry. So when we tried to open it, it didn't work because, well, paint is dry. Okay, so paint work is done. I'm going to wait a little bit for this to dry, and then afterwards we'll come back and see how it is. Bye. Okay, so this is completely dry now. Now it's time to take off the stickers. So okay, I took all of the stickers out. It looks pretty good. I am a little bit disappointed in some of them though. Like for example the cloud, because some Okay, so I am disappointed for some of them, like the cloud, because the paint still leaked through a little bit. But like some of them, like lightning, they turned out pretty crisp and clear, even though just a little bit went through. Especially the moon. The moon went through a lot. So now we're just going to put back the rope on it. Which, how did this happen? I'm gonna ask Mr. Helper to put the rope back on. Mr. Helper, can you put the rope back on?
Okay, so I put back, well, my helper put back on the rope, as you can see, and it's looking pretty good so far. And
this has been charging a lot. Well, when I mean a lot, probably a few minutes or so. And now we're just gonna put this back in here, like so. And now let's go to a dark room. Come follow me, guys. Dark room, here we go. So this is a finished product. It's pretty cool. At first it didn't work because some metal part wasn't touching the other metal part, some other thing. But we fixed it. Some problem with the light source. But now it's fixed and it's pretty cool in the dark. You charge it by putting it in the sun and then you turn it on at night. And then it lights up and it looks really cool in the jar. And if you see around, the holes that are in here make a little pattern. So like stars, so if you like see stars and moons are like on the things. Like if you see here, there's a star, there's a tree, there's another star, there's lightning, here's a moon, if you can see. And it's pretty cool actually. And thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.